What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks, and how to get you access to high limit credit funding. So in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through step by step how to do a product change with your Capital One credit card. So we did a similar review about a year ago, and some of the recent comments suggested that the product change link has since expired. So I was able to track down the latest link, which I've pinned in the comments as well as in the description of the video, so anyone interested can check it out. But basically what Capital One does is what's considered credit bucketing. So credit bucketing is a way for financial institutions to identify customers based on their risk profile. So the two main buckets are going to be prime as well as subprime. So prime credit products are going to be for people with good credit. Subprime credit are going to be for people with bad credit. So examples of some of the prime credit products when it comes to Capital One credit cards are going to be the Saver card, the Saver One, the Venture One, as well as the Quicksilver. The subprime credit products are going to be the Platinum MasterCard, as well as the Quicksilver One. So in the previous review, I showed you a product change where I was able to go from the Quicksilver One to the Venture card. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through upgrading the Capital One Platinum MasterCard. So very interesting story. When I first started rebuilding my credit several years ago, one of the first credit cards that I got was the Platinum MasterCard. And I've actually had this card for approximately 7 years. So I opened this card back in 2014. Now at the time, from my understanding, this card was just indefinitely secured, meaning that the only way to get your deposit back was to actually close the account. So it never really crossed my mind. The Platinum Capital One card has just been a sock drawer card. I just kept it open just to keep the history, the age of the account. So that's another reason why I never decided to close it. But anyways, a couple of weeks ago, I get a letter in the mail saying that the Platinum MasterCard has upgraded. And this is after 7 years of having this secure card. And honestly, I've had it so long, I forgot it was even a secured card. So anyways, I'm gonna be walking you guys through how to do a product change. Now, and if you already have, for example, a Quicksilver card or Saver card, it's my understanding that you can't upgrade if you already have one of the Prime Rewards credit cards, because it's already the highest that you can go. You know, you're not necessarily going to transfer to a subprime card. Now you can go, for example, from the Venture card to the Venture One, or the Saver to the Saver One. So you can downgrade if you want to avoid that annual fee. All right, so here we are on the product upgrade page. I've dropped the link in the description. So I'm just going to log into my account real quick. So after logging in, it asks, which account are you trying to service? So this is going to be the Platinum card. So let's just choose this account real quick. All right, so it says, congratulations, you're eligible for a rewards upgrade. Your interest rate and credit limit will stay the same. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. This is not a new account. There's no hard inquiry. You do keep the account history. So just think of this as changing the rewards program. You're not changing to a new credit card. You're not going to lose your age. It's not going to be a hard pull. You're just upgrading to new rewards. So upgrading won't affect your credit since you don't need to apply. You'll keep the same card number, payment date, and account settings. You'll have a new security number and expiration date. So they will send you a new card in the mail, and you can keep your current card and still use it until the new card arrives. And you're not going to be eligible for promotions or bonus offers that new card holders get. Now, here's the option that they give me. So they give me the option to upgrade to the Quicksilver One. So the Quicksilver One does give you 1.5% cash back. And I actually had this card before. So just to compare, right? So basically nothing changes, right? It's still going to have the $29 annual fee, still have the 22.9% APR and the $500 credit limit. But, you know, it's better than not earning any rewards whatsoever. So to upgrade, all you got to do is click this button right here. So right here, you can review your upgrade details. So it's upgrading to the Quicksilver One, 1.5% cash back. It's still going to have that $29 annual fee, same credit limit and same APR. So all you got to do is check this box right here. After you agree to the terms, just hit confirm upgrade. and it says, welcome to Quicksilver One. You upgraded your card. It may take 2 to 3 business days to start earning rewards. Now, remember, your account number won't change, but you will get a new security code as well as an expiration date, and you'll get all that information when they send your new card in the mail. So, all right, so I also wanted to show you guys the scenario when you try to do a product change, let's say with the Venture card. So as you can see, I already have the Venture card as well. So when I click on this, it'll show you what your product change options are. So again, the Venture card is already a rewards card. So basically all you could pretty much do is either switch to the Quicksilver card or to the Venture One. So the Venture One would actually be a downgrade. Now you would save the $95 annual fee, but instead of earning 2 miles for every dollar that you spend, I'd only be earning 1.25 miles, but there's no annual fee for the Venture One. And it also gives you the option to upgrade to the Quicksilver. So basically, if you already have a premium card, like a Saver card or a Venture card or a Quicksilver card, pretty much all they're going to actually be able to offer you is to either downgrade, or you might be able to switch from like a Venture to a Quicksilver. I haven't seen too many data points where people are able to, for example, switch to the Saver card. Now, that's probably what I would prefer, but that option isn't available. So, all right, so I was able to upgrade from the Platinum Capital One card to the Quicksilver One. Basically, everything is the same. The interest rate, the credit limit, still get to keep the credit age. The only thing that's different is it's now earning 1.5% cash back for every dollar that you spend. So I actually had the Capital One Platinum card for 7 years. So it took 7 years to unsecure. Now, from my understanding, when I opened this account, it was indefinitely secured. You know, sometimes the credit card terms are going to be based on when you signed your agreement. So if the credit card has favorable terms, that doesn't always mean that you're automatically just going to inherit that. Now, I know after a certain point, maybe around 2016, 2017, Capital One actually started putting out on their website that the Platinum MasterCard could actually upgrade. But when I opened the account back in 2014, that wasn't necessarily the case. And I actually, went to Capital One many of times to speak with representatives to see if this account could actually unsecure, because a lot of I'm a huge fan of secure credit cards that graduate. Anyways, I'm glad that this finally graduated. I was able to get my $200 security deposit back and then do a product change. So if anyone is in the same boat, I've dropped the product change link in the description of the video so you can check it out. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.